Tinida's cake. Anong cake yan, te? Birthday niya ngayon, guys.
Chipon cake.
Chipon cake. Ano siya? Pandan flavor. Ay, si Ate Nida, birthday niya. I-greet mo muna bago ka pakakainin. Marge, mag-greet ka muna bago ka pakakainin. Masarap yan.
Happy birthday to you.
Yan.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ang hindi kumanta, walang ano.
Bless you.
Walang cake.
Walang pagkain ng cake.
Ha?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
Ayan, ayan. May cake na kaming lahat. Kumanta na kaming lahat eh.
Happy birthday.
Dalawang cake daw sa kanya. Kaya dalawang.
Happy birthday to you.
Alam niyo piso na ko.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Isa pa. Happy birthday to you.
Ang hindi mag-happy birthday, walang
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Anong sampay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Basta ito chipon. Oo, chipon. Bless you. Pandan tignan. Pero manamon ante. Ramastat. Paano? Umpisahan na?
Ay, naglabas ka.
Naglabas na. Ang dami po.
Icecream cake.
Mag-umpisa pa lang ako.
Mag-umpisa pa lang siya. Pero kusog na siya.